What's going on, everyone? This is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com, coming to you live on 12/26/2014. This is our Valor Random Division Box Break. Just a recap of who's got who. Let me go to there and to here. NFC North is Charles S. AFC West, Jimmy S. AFC East, Charles S. AFC South, Tim W. NFC West, Roger W. NFC East, Charles S. NFC South, Sandra D. And AFC North, Tom C. Okay. So, let's get ripping. There we go. Back up. Okay, I'm good. Here we go. Good luck. Like I said, we've been pulling some decent stuff out of this. So good luck to everyone. All right, here we go. Half case up next, full case after that, then some basketball time. Fresh box here. Looking for some booms. Garbage can's too far away. Got it. Here we go. Let's see if this box holds true to the other boxes. All the hits are on the left-hand side of the box. So don't forget, we'll ship you all your base. No big deal. And if you don't get a hit, no problem. We'll send you a pack of something. Good luck. Bring this down a little. Let's see if we got some monsters in here. I think that half case definitely has monsters, and we just got the fresh case that we're breaking tonight. Geno Atkins, we got Dan Marino Speed. Okay, base there. Kevin and I got a lot of sorting to do tonight. We're very excited. Anytime we got sorting means we've been pulling booms. Upside down Luke Kinkley. Speed of Ryan Shazier. Nothing yet. How we doing out there tonight, guys? Chargers need a win this week. Winning in. Can't wait. And luck falling their way with Alex Smith being injured. Hate seeing anybody injured, but it seems like the Chargers always get some kind of break. The speed is the speed an insert? Yeah, it's kind of like the Glory insert, except it's not numbered. But we don't count those as hits. Your hits have to be below 50. But the speed is kind of like if you did platinum, the blue cards that come in there. Yep, the speed is like a parallel, but it's not numbered. I think it's 1 in every 4 packs, I believe. Joe Montana speed insert. I like this product, Valor. I like the layout of it. All right, we got a Courage. Courage to 399, Greg Robinson. It's a nice little rookie parallel. Courage to 399. 303 out of 399. So that's the, it's not a hit, but that's going to the NFC West. We got a speed of Matthew Stafford. Half case up next. Let's fill it. Only 4 spots left. Teams are cheap for a half case. Oh, we got our first hit. And it's a very nice hit. This goes to the NFC East. NFC East, which is Charles S. Charles S. getting the first hit out of this box. Andre Williams, check out my patch, 2-color patch. Looks like a number. Auto. Andre Williams. NFC East. And along with it is a Terrence West Rookie speed insert. So NFC East on the board. The speed of Isaiah Crowell, Tavon Austin, Wes Welker, and Andrew Luck. So we're still due a patch and an auto and another jersey. See if we can pull a glory. Here's our auto going to the AFC North for the Cincinnati Bengals, Jeremy Hill. Jeremy Hill. AFC North, Tom C. Tom C picking that up. Tom C. AFC North. Odell Beckham Jr. speed insert. Oh, the Giants, I think, are going to be nasty soon. Yeah, you have Cruz on one side and Beckham Jr. and an Andre Williams. They get an offensive line. Emmitt Smith, speed insert. So what football products you guys looking to get your hands on? Museum looks awesome. Immaculate Football sounds interesting. We've got a bunch of breaks listed on the site too. All right. NFC West. 262 out of 299. Insert. Discipline. Patrick Willis. Triple thread, CJ? Yeah, we got that up there. We just reduced our prices ridiculous, CJ, on our triple threads. We've got 2 cases. One's down to 9. Trying to get a box of certified. We had a tough time finding a case of certified. We were selling our case. It's tough getting one of those. I like that stuff, though. Certified's nice. That's going to the NFC West. Yeah, we just ridiculously reduced our prices. We're going to break one next Friday. One of the 9-box cases, CJ. And then the following one we're going to break on Monday. Our Topps Chrome, too, we just reduced the prices ridiculous on. Le'Veon Bell. Noshawn Moreno. Marshall Faulk and Michael Crabtree. Allen Robinson, Devonta Freeman. We got a strength of Luke Kuechly. $4.99. $4.99 NFC South. Strength. Kiko Alonso speed. Yeah, whoever was asking if we're a card shop or not, we're not, but we can try to get you stuff if you send us a list to our email. Might be able to get you some stuff. Demaryius Thomas speed, Antonio Brown, Zach Ertz, Drew Brees. Can't guarantee that our distributor has it. All right, here comes our patch. We got a Roddy White, and our patch is going to the AFC West. It's a one-color patch, but it is the patch. Rookie patch, DeAnthony Thomas, AFC West. Let's see here. AFC West. AFC West. Jimmy S. Jimmy S is getting that one. Jimmy S. Okay. So we still got one hit left. We still have a jersey left. And let's see if we can pull maybe a Valor out of 99. Maybe a 101 Heart. We've broken 3 cases of this, and I've yet to pull a 101 Heart. AFC West, Monte Ball out of 399. Monte Ball out of 399. Courage Parallel. Again, our hits are under 50, so you'll still get a pack even though you get something like that. I don't mind pulling a Heart 101 here. Oh, here's our jersey. We'll save that for the end. Little teaser there. Our jersey's in there. See what else we pull out of here. There's a glory for the NFC West. Logan Thomas Glory 199 insert. So we pretty much hit all the inserts in this box. Very nice. Logan Thomas going to get some playing time this week. See how he looks. How'd that turn out for you, Brock? We still have a listing for Select up on our site. Hard moving it. Russell Wilson speed insert. The Select's nice. We're still trying to sell it. Let's see here. Johnny Manziel, and here we go. A D-Hop for AFC South. DeAndre Hopkins, AFC South. Kevin says pick up the 22 spots and we can get ripping on it. Guys, make sure if you're joining us, if you didn't get emails over Christmas or anything like that, or didn't get our emails today, make sure they're not in your spam. Whitelist them. All right, so let's see our last hit here for the box. Up next is our half case. You got a speed insert of Ryan Matthews, Storm Johnson, Troy Aikman. So we're going to do this. We got a Steve Smith. All right, let's see what our hit is. It's a Discipline. Ooh, this is going to be nice. Whoever it's going to. Come on. There we go. 2 of 25. Nice for the NFC North. NFC North, 2 of 25. Let's end on a little boom here. NFC North, Charles S. Very nice. Discipline Parallel Silhouette, Eddie Lacy. All right, thank you guys for filling this box break to get us started. We'll get them shipped out to you as fast as possible, and the video will get posted to our YouTube. Half case up next.